Palos Verdes at Cliffsides right now, back again, except we're on the other side of the cliff this time. We're gonna take some more pictures. Today I have with me the Fujifilm x100v again. We haven't shot with this in a while, but I still take this out as my everyday camera. I have the Cinebloom filter on with it, so we're gonna take some pictures with that. And I'm thinking about trying to shoot it kind of like film, so instead of just shooting like I normally do and just firing away and stuff like that, I'm giving myself 20 shots max. We'll try 20 shots max, but it's really, really pretty, so if it comes to it and I just see stuff that I want to take pictures of, I'm just gonna fire away. But yeah, anyways, let's get started. All right, first shot, debatable.
Ooh. Yeah, I want to get like a good perspective for it. Oh, this is sick. Oh, look, stay right there.
It's like misty. Wait. Alright, there it is. How much does it cost to fix?
I feel like you'd be like a project.
Parking reservation hours. Is that over there or is it here? Check their, do they have like passes or something? What's up? Oh yeah. If I had maybe an 80mm, I could catch them over there, but they're kind of far.
So
You want to what?
pick on this like.
Okay. You are very blown out.
Oh yeah, it's like dark.
No, more like you're like bright. It looks kind of epic though. Wait, same pose? I gotta go a little bit closer.
Do I look at you or do I look away?
You could look at me, or you could look out. Up to you. I would look a little bit to the left. Still looking out, but like, yeah, right there. All right. There we go.
Ooh, super blown out.
Yeah, it's super bright, but I think that's the idea if I'm gonna shoot this shot. Where's Orion?
Oh yeah, this would be the angle with him.
Yeah. Okay. 3, 2. I like that.
Interesting. Wait, let me try one more time.
That is.
I like the split though.
Yeah, it's very
Dramatic.
very dramatic. Okay. Let's see if I could get. I don't want to fall off this cliff right now, but.
Oh, I don't like this right now.
Alright.
At least my eyes are on my screen.
Yeah. It's not as. Well, it's bright, but it's not like harsh.
Yeah, it's like in my eye right now. It's like to the side.
At Palos Verdes was a pain, so we're here again around the Korean Friendship Hill, and we're gonna take some pictures around here too. Which, to be honest, is quite nice. Dang, you crazy, fool.
Oh wow. Wow, what the fuck is this for?
That's sick. All right. Ah!
You had me.
Ah.
Huh? You know the whole ass cliff collapses?
Bruh. This is awesome. trying to swoop in and kill me, huh? Oh yeah.
You're gonna get this background. Yeah, you're gonna get this like this background.
I don't know, the lighting's sick though. Why you always gotta make faces like that?
Well, I'm like chilling.
Background's nice, but it's backwards. With your phone?
Why? Just whatever. Hey, look at that barrel!
This guy just keeps making noises. Nothing's even happening. Oh, yo, this is nice. Dang, it's kind of harder to get back up than it is to hop over. Wow, that was much more springy than I thought.
I hurt my knee. Why did he make it like It's to stop you from going back.
Least athletic.
Oh shit! He wants you to flip over. This is a tricking mechanism. It's designed for tricking.
Buggy. God, this guy's always embarrassing us.
Trying to run.
Don't have the right perspective for that. Damn, that looks nice though. Definitely don't have the right lens for that right now. Wait, stand at the fork. Let me get you at the fork.
Who should choose, him or me? Oh damn, look at that sun.
I know, it's crazy. Ooh, we should walk up this hill backwards, bro. I was like, what? Better for our knees.
Attention all park patrons, the parking lot gates are now closing. All vehicles must exit the parking lot. Once again, the parking lot.
Does that apply down there too? So I'm back home. I've gotten a chance to look at the photos, edit the photos, check them out, and kind of get some thoughts on them overall. I think in general we had a pretty good photo session. It wasn't particularly about getting the perfect photos or the best photos, but moreover just having fun, and I think that's what the X100v is such a great camera for. You can just carry it around and bring it with you on wherever you go or journeys and things like that and be a little lax on it. We kind of went overboard on the amount of shots I took. I was planning for about 20 like I said, but I think we got somewhere around like 30 or so, but that's okay because ideally we would get 20, but the overall thought of trying to make every picture good, or at least trying to take pictures that are worth taking sort of thing, really dwindles down on the amount of photos you take overall, saves amount of space in your hard drive, and just gives you less photos to edit and less bad photos in general. So that's the general intent. It doesn't have to be so rigid every single time. This shot right here, I was kind of experimenting with slower shutter speeds, motion blur, and stuff like that. I think we'll have to take more shots like this in the future because I think I can get some really interesting and better shots out of this kind of technique. But overall, the shot itself was kind of just interesting in the textures. I think my favorite shots of the whole day happened to be this one right here, which was kind of a sunset, ocean, endless, vast, and I just really like these shots in general because it really encapsulates viewpoints and what you feel like when you're standing at viewpoints and just how small you feel like in the overall grand scheme of the world. And that's kind of the feeling that I really resonate with. So those shots in general tend to be more of my favorite shots, but we did get some good portraits in general and stuff. And the great thing about the X100v is it's so fast. So I was able to capture shots of my friend when he was trying to climb over the fence and stuff like that I would have probably otherwise missed if I was shooting film or something like that. So that just goes to show the benefits of having different cameras that are either faster or slower. They both work in different ways. But overall, I'm pretty happy with the photos we took. Moreover, it was more of a photography session that I feel like was more casual, more loose-ended, and that's what I really liked about it. It's not so much stressful in the sense that I need to get a good photo here, need to get a good photo here. It's just taking the day as the day comes, and whatever it happens to be, just be happy with what you get, you know? It's less stressful that way. Photography is much more manageable and much less stressful that way, so happy with how it came out. Anyways, if you like the video, please like the video down below. Share some thoughts on the X100v, how you've been using it, etc, etc. I'll try and get more videos out in the future. It's just, I have a backlog of a ton of images that I've been editing over the months, and it's pretty tough. Thanks as always for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in another video. Peace.